What's the meaning of compound interest? Compound interest. Compound interest.
Compound interest. Compound interest. Compound interest refers to the concept where the initial amount of money invested, principal, earns interest, and that interest is added to the principal, creating a new, higher base on which interest is calculated. This means that the interest earned in each time period is calculated based on the new, higher base, resulting in exponential growth of the investment over time. The frequency of compounding, daily, monthly, annually, etc., affects the rate of growth. Compound interest can be a powerful tool for growing wealth over the long term.